Scandinavian living rooms look calm, spacious, and inviting, but it's not because they're filled with expensive furniture. In fact, what they leave out is often more important than what they bring in. Many everyday items that are common in homes around the world are rarely found in a traditional Scandinavian living room. Today, we'll explore 17 things Scandinavians never keep in their living room and why removing them could completely transform yours. One thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is excessive decorative clutter. Shelves aren't packed with dozens of ornaments, souvenirs, or random display pieces. Instead, every decoration is chosen carefully and has a purpose. Leaving empty space allows beautiful furniture, natural materials, and soft lighting to become the focus. A room feels calmer when your eyes have space to rest. Scandinavian design proves that sometimes less really is more. For Scandinavians, simplicity creates beauty that clutter never can. Another thing you'll rarely see in a Scandinavian living room is oversized, bulky furniture. Massive sofas, oversized cabinets, and heavy coffee tables can make a room feel smaller than it really is. Scandinavians prefer furniture with clean lines, raised legs, and lighter designs. These pieces allow more natural light to flow through the room and create a greater sense of space. A living room doesn't have to be large to feel open. Choosing the right furniture makes even a small home feel brighter and more comfortable. For Scandinavians, smart design is more important than simply buying bigger furniture. Another thing you'll almost never find in a Scandinavian living room is a mess of tangled cables. Charging cords, extension leads, and television wires are kept neatly hidden whenever possible. Visible cables create visual clutter, even in an otherwise clean room. Scandinavians often use cable organizers, hidden outlets, or furniture that conceals wiring. This simple change instantly makes the living room look cleaner and more organized. It's a small detail that has a surprisingly big impact. For Scandinavians, a peaceful home means eliminating visual distractions wherever possible. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is an oversized television dominating the entire space. The television is treated as one part of the room, not the center of it. Scandinavian homes are designed to encourage conversation, reading, and spending time together. A giant screen can easily become the main focus instead of the people in the room. Many Scandinavians prefer balanced layouts where artwork, natural light, and beautiful furniture receive equal attention. Technology is welcomed, but it doesn't need to dominate the space. For Scandinavians, the living room is designed for living, not just watching television. Another thing you'll rarely see in a Scandinavian living room is plastic storage bins sitting out in the open. Instead of storing everyday items in visible plastic containers, they prefer hidden storage built into the furniture. Blankets, games, magazines, and other belongings are tucked neatly inside cabinets. This keeps the room feeling calm, organized, and visually clean. Natural materials like wood, wicker, and linen blend beautifully with the rest of the home. Smart storage doesn't just hide clutter, it becomes part of the design. For Scandinavians, storage should simplify the room, not become the center of attention. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is an abundance of fake plants. Scandinavians have a strong connection with nature, so they prefer real greenery whenever possible. Even a single healthy houseplant can make a room feel more alive and peaceful. Real plants improve the atmosphere with natural color, texture, and freshness. Instead of filling shelves with artificial decorations, they let living plants become part of the design. A few carefully chosen plants often have a greater impact than dozens of fake ones. For Scandinavians, bringing nature indoors means choosing the real thing. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is open shelving packed with random, everyday items. Shelves aren't used as storage for anything and everything. Instead, they display only a few meaningful books, natural decorations, or carefully chosen artwork. Too many objects make a room feel visually busy and distracting. Leaving some shelves partially empty creates balance and lets each item stand out. The result is a living room that feels lighter, calmer, and more organized. For Scandinavians, empty space is just as important as the things displayed on it. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is an overload of loud patterns and bold prints. Bright floral sofas, heavily patterned rugs, and busy curtains can make a room feel overwhelming. Scandinavians prefer calm, neutral colors with subtle textures instead. Soft whites, warm beige, light gray, and natural wood create a peaceful backdrop. This doesn't make the room boring. It makes it feel timeless and relaxing. Texture adds warmth without creating visual noise. For Scandinavians, a calm color palette helps create a calm state of mind. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is exercise equipment left out all day. Treadmills, exercise bikes, and weights can quickly make a relaxing space feel cluttered. When they're not being used, they're usually stored away or kept in a separate area. The living room is meant for relaxing, reading, and spending time with family. Keeping fitness equipment out of sight helps maintain a calm and balanced atmosphere. Every room should serve its main purpose, without unnecessary distractions. For Scandinavians, a peaceful living room is reserved for everyday living, not permanent storage. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is an oversized coffee table. A large, bulky table can interrupt movement and make the room feel cramped. Scandinavians prefer simple coffee tables that are functional without taking over the space. Many choose light wooden designs with clean lines and open space underneath. The goal is to keep the room easy to move through while maintaining a balanced layout. A smaller table often makes the entire living room feel larger and brighter. For Scandinavians, furniture should support the space, not dominate it. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is every surface covered with family photographs. Personal memories are treasured, but they're usually displayed thoughtfully rather than everywhere. Instead of dozens of frames competing for attention, Scandinavians often choose just a few meaningful photographs. This keeps the room feeling calm and visually balanced. Carefully selected photos become more noticeable because they aren't surrounded by clutter. The focus stays on the space, while personal memories remain part of the home story. For Scandinavians, meaningful decoration is about quality, not quantity. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is stacks of old magazines and newspapers. Reading is encouraged, but once something has been read, it usually isn't left lying around for weeks. Coffee tables and side tables stay mostly clear, with perhaps one beautiful book or current magazine. Reducing paper clutter instantly makes the room feel cleaner and more spacious. Important reading materials are neatly stored inside cabinets, drawers, or magazine holders. A clear surface creates a calmer mind and a more welcoming space. For Scandinavians, the living room is for enjoying the present, not storing yesterday's papers. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is every light switched on during the daytime. Natural daylight is one of the most important features of Scandinavian homes. Large windows are left uncovered whenever possible to let sunlight fill the room. Instead of relying on artificial lighting, they make the most of daylight throughout the day. Sunlight makes a space feel brighter, healthier, and more connected to nature. Even a small living room can feel larger when it's filled with natural light. For Scandinavians, the best light source is the one that comes through the window. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is an abundance of cheap plastic decorations. Instead of filling shelves with mass-produced ornaments, Scandinavians prefer fewer pieces made from natural materials. Wood, ceramic, glass, and stone bring warmth and timeless character to the room. Each decorative item is chosen carefully for its quality rather than its quantity. Natural materials also age beautifully and never go out of style. The result is a home that feels authentic, elegant, and connected to nature. For Scandinavians, lasting quality is always more valuable than temporary decoration. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is furniture that serves no real purpose. Every piece is chosen because it's useful, comfortable, or genuinely loved. Empty corner tables, decorative cabinets, and unused chairs are often removed to create more open space. A room feels lighter when every item has a clear function. This practical approach also makes cleaning quicker and everyday life much easier. Instead of filling every corner, Scandinavians allow the room to breathe. For Scandinavians, good design isn't about having more furniture. It's about having the right furniture. Another thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is shopping bags, delivery boxes, or everyday product packaging left on display. Grocery bags, cardboard boxes, and unopened parcels are put away soon after arriving home. Even small items left out can quickly make a clean room feel untidy. Scandinavians prefer clear floors, clean surfaces, and organized storage instead. Taking just a minute to unpack things keeps clutter from building throughout the day. A tidy living room starts with simple daily habits. For Scandinavians, everyday packaging belongs in storage or recycling, not in the living room. The final thing you'll rarely find in a Scandinavian living room is a windowsill crowded with random objects. Windows are one of the home's greatest features, bringing in precious natural light and beautiful outdoor views. Filling the windowsill with decorations, paperwork, or miscellaneous items blocks both the light and the sense of openness. Instead, Scandinavians keep window areas simple, often displaying just a small plant. Clear windows make the entire room feel brighter, larger, and more connected to nature. Sometimes, the best decoration is simply the view outside. For Scandinavians, natural light deserves center stage, not clutter. A beautiful Scandinavian living room isn't created by buying more things. It's created by choosing what doesn't belong. By removing clutter, oversized furniture, and unnecessary distractions, even a small room can feel brighter, calmer, and more welcoming. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start by removing just one or two of these 17 items, and you'll be surprised how much more peaceful your home feels.